Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is India Renee, and if you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps out my channel. Thank you. Alright you guys, let's get into this week's hairstyle. As I stated before, I am a lazy natural, but I kind of want to get out of that habit. And so I am now looking for hairstyles that I can do that will last for a week so that I don't have to be bothered with my hair every day. And this is what I came up with: a bubble braid, or bubble braids, or I don't even know what these are called, but I feel like they should be called bubble braids. So we're going to roll with it because it looks right, sounds right. So you guys are going to watch me do this hairstyle. So just stay tuned. I'm trying to make you very spoiled. Yeah, I was alone before. Now look at you like, oh my Lord. Alright, here I am. I just started off on clean hair. So I shampooed, I conditioned, used deep conditioner and a leave-in conditioner, and I used a moisturizing oil. So just like animals and children, we got to stay consistent with a routine as it pertains to our hair if we want to see the best results. And so far, I'm loving the results that my hair has given me with my wash day routine. Waiting for you to let me in. You're playing with time and I'm wondering if you'll ever be mine and more than my friend. But alright, so I already parted my hair down the middle. So I have my right side is into a ponytail, and now I'm working on my left side. And as you guys can see, I'm using the top of my ear, or the point of my ear, as a guide to where I want to start my parts, because I want them to go like how they're going. That was intentional how I parted it. And I just placed them in ponytails as a placeholder until I was done parting my hair. And so now I am starting from the back, placing the back in a ponytail. I used that wet line gel to put it into a sleek ponytail, and then I just twisted it up and I put it into like a bun. And so that's what you see here. Not me using this Marley hair again after I was just talking crap on it in my last video. But I just like this hair because it gives the best results, because it is a natural textured hair and it looks better than like straight hair. So y'all gonna see me fighting with this hair in this video, but eventually I won, as you guys seen at the beginning of the video. So here I am just trying to figure out how I want to start the first bubble in my hair. So I'm thinking like I should tie the ponytail on the top of the hair and then attach it to my ponytail. As you guys will see, that doesn't work out right. Will you ever cross the line and take my hand? I've been waiting for you to let me in. Yeah. I've been trying to make my yeah, see, that it wasn't a great idea to do it that way. So now I'm like, maybe if I wrap it around and then add the ponytail to it, maybe that'll work. But yeah, as you guys will see, that this is another fail, okay? But no worries, because third time is always a charm. So I took that out and I'm like, yeah, maybe I should put the first ponytail into a ball. I don't know why I didn't do that in the first place, but I'm doing it now, and that's all that matters, okay?
That's why we got so many problems now. Keep it A-Con and you don't let it out. You're talking so strange, but like I want.
And if you guys know an easier way of doing this, please let me know, because I do plan on doing this hairstyle again. But if you are doing it the way that I did it, just make sure that whenever you do wrap the ends of your hair around your ball, make sure you go under your hair like I did and not over top, because then it would just look funny once you flip your hair over. And I was so proud of these little gold my little gold ponytail holders when I bought them. I thought I was fitting to do something with them, but as you guys could see, I didn't. I did not. So now I'm trying to figure out how to attach the rest of my hair to the other buns that I have. And I don't even know why I thought it was a great idea to put or to try to put all of that hair through the ponytail. You guys are going to see me struggle with that again. Yeah, it was just a hot mess trying to get this. I ain't going to say it was a hot mess. I will say that it was definitely a learning experience, because like, why would I try to do that? I don't know, but you guys going to see. Look at my face, y'all. I was trying not to be frustrated because I did not want to give up. So I was trying my hardest to keep my cool as it pertained to dealing with this hair and making sure that it didn't get tangled, or even just trying to untangle it. Okay, you guys, here I am trying to pull all that hair through this little ponytail. Like, why? Why would I do that? Why would I think that that was a good idea and that no hair would get tangled? I don't know why. But you guys are going to see me fighting with this for a while before I grab some scissors and just snip at it, okay?
Your name is on my favorite words, and I don't need to say it twice, 'cause I know you could feel it too. Oh my God, I'm so in love with you. Baby, won't you take my hand, don't be shy. I know you don't wanna say goodbye. I'll be yours, will you be mine? 5,000 miles away, and you might get hard sometimes, but I know we're gonna be alright. We'll be alright. It'll take some time, but you know that I'll be on the next flight to Tokyo.
I don't even know why I was trying to be extra with the gold, knowing that I'm such a basic black girl. So here I am. I just grabbed my black ponytail holders, and I decided to just see what it looks like if I just wrapped it around the ball to give it that bubble effect, and I liked it. So we are going to roll with it. But I just wanted to make it a bigger ball because I felt like it was too tight. So I just wanted to fluff it up a little bit more, which is why I took the ponytail out and placed it back in.
I know it's hard to do, but you know I'm gonna be there soon. You want me, I want you, so forget about the distance. I know we'll be missing being close, but we're only an ocean apart. In a minute I'll be right there where you are.
And so my original idea, like, since I did like the 4 parts or whatnot, like, I thought I was going to have 4 bubbles, but then I seen that it wasn't going to work that way because what was going to happen, like, in between where the parts were. And so then I decided to have like a bubble where you know my ponytail is, and then where my part is also have a bubble right there. So like as you can see, I have like one bubble, and then like, I hope you guys can understand what I'm saying. So like where my part is, I also put like a bubble right there. So I have more than 4 of the bubble things, as you guys can see. And I just wanted to show you like too how when it's in the bubble, like you can adjust the size and stuff like that. So here I am just adjusting the last one because I felt like it was too big. So yes, and I don't know why I'm trying this gold again. Like why do I keep doing this knowing that I'm not going to like it. Alright, so I took the gold ponytails out yet again, and I exchanged it for the black ponytails, and now I'm just showing you guys what I do to get the bubble effect at the bottom of the ponytail. And it's a lot easier to just ball the hair up to get the ponytails through whenever there's not that much hair. So as you guys see, I ball it all up in my fist, and then I pull the ponytail through, and that seemed to work. So it was okay to do it that way. And I'm just fluffing them up, and I'm making sure that the ponytail placements are even on both sides. Alright, you guys, and here is the finished look. I will say that I ended up using some hair from last week's video, and I added them at the ends to make the bubble effect look bigger. I just added them to the ends. I didn't add anything, you know, up at the top of the ponytail, just the ends, so that they look a lot fuller. And this is another satisfied look of mine. And so if you guys do this, let me know. Let me know if you had a hard time like me, or if you have a technique that works for you. My favorite part about this hairstyle is the sides. I don't know, something about the parting I just absolutely love. And as always, thank you guys for watching. See you next video.